How I learned Spanish in 2 months without study with a full-time job when I'm tired. The shortest path to the Spanish real-life conversations through audio lessons backed by science. We've uncovered unknown secret to speak Spanish just with audios for busy or lazy students that almost nobody talks about. Why do you need to speak Spanish? Learning Spanish makes you more employable. More and more jobs require it. According to The Economist, learning Spanish will net you an additional $151,000 annual income. No bad. Will help you making new professional connections. You may ask, why do I have so much trouble learning Spanish? Hard to understand. Forgetting quickly. Hate to study boring books. Context not organized properly. But still want to speak fluent Spanish in no time? Are you tired to spend hours on difficult grammar and still have no clue? Don't have time to stay in the laptop for hours? Between us. Are you lazy? Are you under budget? We get it. Juggling through boring textbooks or random YouTube lectures can leave you with doubts and distress. After all, learning a new language isn't just about memorizing the words. We learn when we relate to those words in real-life scenarios. All of these problems are related to your wrong learning method. That's why we have carefully crafted the Spanish for Newbies audio course. To get your mind focused straight to the learning curve. With practical conversations without study books or text. So you will speak Spanish in no time. And you will discover you're growing ever more confident, and will be surprised would you be to remember these phrases, and master the skill. The secrets behind of speak Spanish without studying. Here where Spanish audio course will save you thousands of hours. Learn anywhere, anytime. Energy efficient learning. Improving your ear. Perfect your accent. The fastest route to speaking. It can help your spelling. It will develop your versatility as a learner. It sets the groundwork for advanced language skills. As you can see, Spanish audio course has already helped countless people around the world. The question is, are you next? This is what you get right now. 164 audios with basic Spanish conversations. 240 audios with advanced Spanish lessons. 16 hours Spanish binaural audios. 13 ebooks to reinforce your learning process. Spanish travel phrases package. There's no catch. No gimmicks. You will not be signing up for any trial to some monthly program or anything like that. $27 flat. Period. If you don't love the audio course, I'll refund your $27 no questions. Download your Spanish audio course today.